What's going on, guys? We're out on the lake, going to be dragging some baits. Let's see if we can find some pre-spawn blues. Stick around. It's one of my weedless hook open.
It was big enough that I figured I'd be able to tell.
Such an angry squall.
It gave its battle cry.
You mad, bro?
Show me your war face.
Let me see your war face. You got a war face, ain't you, dog? Let me see your war face. I don't think the peach has a war face. I gotta be honest. Well, hello there, waggy tails. Put some bait back in the cooler, just so it don't get yucky.
And we are ready to rumble. I said that cicada didn't make it.
Did you flick one off the boat?
No.
You saw one in the water?
I've watched it fly into our line and then fall into the water.
Oh.
He clotheslined himself.
Come on, princess.
Up.
If they're gonna smack one at this speed, they better mean it. What? There's nobody loving you. It doesn't really bother me that Gar around. I'm kind of wondering if it's so chalky milk, it pushes the fish down after big rains like that.
Yeah, I was wondering about that.
That's a good fish.
Unplug.
Oh, you stay out of that drift sock. Oh God, he is most of what I thought he was.
In the net.
Okay. Spoiler alert. This dude is angry. God, look at that big old head. Beautiful fish. So, he just took my fish grips. Are you talking about reeling in your 2-pound channel cat, babe?
Yep.
Well, considering that planer board ain't trying to dig, I would say that's definitely a fish. That might be more than a 2-pound channel cat.
I don't either.
Just in case you break this off, I'm just going to take the board off. And you can keep reeling that in. I really thought that was going to be a what's brown and sticky. Keep reeling him. Got him. This is the lamest blue cat fight ever. So you think go find the shallow,
Here we
stumpy
go.
flat and talon out and hang out? All in all, not a bad day in the water, but if you've enjoyed this video, please hit the like. If you want to see more of it, subscribe. If you want to keep watching adventures, we'll link a video right here. Thank you, God bless, and tight lines.
You want to catch fish?
Yeah.